Hello, in this video I will show you how to turn this photo into this photo in Capture One. Alright, so I start by resetting all settings. I go to the horizon is not straight, so I go to Shape tab and I adjust the angle so that the horizon is straight. All right. Now I use the crop tool. I want to have unconstrained selected. Okay. All right. And I press enter. Next, I go to Adjust tab. In Capture One, the saturation slider works really great because it starts by adjusting the least saturated colors first, and then so it doesn't work so strong on the already saturated colors. Alright, so I push it to the right. This works better. So if I hold the Alt key and press here, reset, I can compare before and after, before and after. Maybe a little bit too strong colors. 34, let's say. Then I go to Color Editor. I select Advanced. I choose blues. To increase the selection, I press this little icon here that widens the range of saturation. I also push it to the left and right. Okay, I select View Selected Color Range, so I see on which colors I am working, and it looks all the colors that are not selected in black and white. So I'm happy with this range. The smoothness is also very important, but on this level it is good. You can adjust it with this. If you look at the circle with colors, it changes from hard, very strict selection of colors to soft selection. Okay, now we have blue selected, and I am not very big fan of this blue color. I like to change it into more green blue, into teal color. So in the hue slider, I take it to the left. Okay. Next, I would like to select all the yellows and reds, like this. So again, I press here this icon to increase the range. I push it to the left and right. I check which colors I have selected. Okay. maybe a little bit more saturation. Oh no, it's too much. Okay. Let's see how the hue works. If we turn to the left, it becomes more pinkish. So if you are not very worried that it's not very natural style, natural colors as you have seen it, and you want to make it more candy style, you can turn it more into pinkish. If you push the slider to the right, the colors become more yellow. So from orange and red, more towards yellow. So the choice depends, of course, on you. I will only show you how to edit colors. I think that the more natural style, a little bit more towards yellow, looks fine. Maybe a little bit more saturation. And that's it. I think that we can maybe slightly change the options in high dynamic range set. So for example, you can open shadows a little bit and push the blacks to the left. And we can also push highlights to the left and push whites to the right. Okay, and I'm not sure if I see some haze here. Let's see. Do we have the haze option here? Yes, we have the haze here. Let's see. Yes, +10 looks fine to me, and I consider this photo finished. So I just go to export. I select the formula for export. Usually I will export it as TIFF in 16-bit. Of course, I select some folders here and just press export. So thank you for watching this video and hope to see you in the next one.